That the case is over. Reporting live at the Seminole County Courthouse in Sanford, Kathy Bellich, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.
Yeah, we have this other case for driving while license suspended. And
yes, I actually was, if I could be heard on that matter, I was going to ask.
Before you go there, I want to be enlightened. I didn't think your license got suspended for 6 months just for getting arrested for a DUI.
It was a mistake, admittedly, by Michael Wagner.
I know.
Testified to that today.
He caused her to have her driver's license suspended for at least a few months, and now get arrested.
Yes, he did, Your Honor.
For nothing.
Yeah,
So you're going to no process that case, or am I going to get mad at you today?
Perhaps you can get mad at me, Your Honor, but at this point,
Wait a
the
minute.
only thing that we're willing
Did you
to
hear
do,
the
Your Honor,
uncontroverted testimony of this officer?
Your Honor,
Yeah.
regardless of...
Tell me your position.
Yes, Your Honor. The DMV is in charge of suspending licenses.
Yeah,
They
when
receive the ticket from
officers
the
lie to them,
Correct, Your Honor, and that's why patrons...
then I want you taking him up on perjury.
Your Honor.
Will you take him up for perjury?
He admitted it was a mistake, Your Honor.
No, but he lied. He lied on a sworn
Absolutely
citation.
not, Your Honor, and that is not true.
I'm
The
dismissing.
state's position.
I'm dismissing.
You cannot summarily dismiss, Your Honor, without a motion for us to be able to respond to.
No, I'm dismissing the charge. You can appeal me.
We will, Your Honor. Please provide us a written order.
No, I'm dismissing the charge.
So there will be no court minutes or whatsoever.
Sua sponte, based upon this record. And that case has the same record as this case. So take it up on appeal with him lying about it and getting
It's
her
not lying,
license
Your Honor,
suspended.
and I won't let that be said today. He admitted to the mistake today. Patrons and people who have
This whole
identifications
case
and
was
driver's license
fishy,
in the state of
and I
Florida
have no idea how
have to
you know
keep
what?
their address on file.
You know what?
The state intends to amend the charge and proceed on no valid.
I'm rescinding the sentence. I'm granting the JOA.
So you're granting it because you don't agree with the state's decision on
I'm
the other
granting
charge?
JOA in fairness.
In fairness, because
got
you
it.
don't like the state's decision today, Your Honor, on the case?
No, you're not. No,
If you let
I've
me be
reconsidered. I've reconsidered all of the testimony and the evidence. And you know, now
And the
that I
state would
consider,
like to be heard on
now
that
that I
matter.
consider what Officer Wagner testified to and how many times he basically tripped over himself unnecessarily just to arrest this lady with no real probable cause. We should have had a suppression hearing. I'm granting the motion for JOA.
Then the state would like to be heard on that matter, Your Honor, as they're entitled to be heard.
Sure.
Today we've proven, as Your Honor initially indicated, until such time as the state was not able to tell you why we're proceeding on the charge that we were proceeding on, the state intended to amend that to either a civil infraction and or a no valid, but the state needed time and intended to do that. However, in this particular case, there was ample testimony as to the fact that the defendant's own statement that she was in possession of alcohol and she drank it. There was testimony uncontroverted from the defendant that was in fact alcohol and she normally doesn't. This is again evidence, direct evidence, and not circumstantial evidence. Furthermore, there was bad decision making, there was balance, there was sway issues, and everything else.
JOA for the defendant. You're done. But you still have this other criminal charge. I'm not dismissing that. The DeWillis, we're going to go full bore. We'll get DMV people in here. We'll get Officer Wagner back here, and we'll find out why your license was suspended if somebody broke the law to cause your license to be suspended. And that's the route you wanted to go.
No, Your Honor, that's not the
really
route.
Is that another case on your docket? I
Yes,
heard that
it
it was
is
on
on
your
my
docket
docket.
in both. Okay, I just wanted to make
We'll
sure.
see where that goes.
Okay.
Motion JOA is granted.
Your Honor, I believe it would be judgment notwithstanding a verdict.
Judgment notwithstanding. JOA.
And you're not going to provide a written order on that?
Nope. No need. It's in the minutes. You want to appeal me?